Are you thinking of buying, selling, or investing in real estate, and you're curious to know how Q1's performance might impact those decisions? Our market continues to go through a market correction after experiencing historical increases in home values within Central Texas. Let's go over what we saw in the first quarter thus far and what it all means. So we're going to cover the three most active counties within our multiple listing service area, which is going to be Travis County, Williamson County, and Hays County. So let's get started with Travis County. For Travis County, we started the year, the average home price for a property was just over $658,000. And then in March, it wound up going up slightly to $675,000. Now, in March, for March compared to March of last year, that was down 10%. And then year to date, compared to last year, we're down 6.3%. In terms of how long it took for a home to sell in Travis County, we started the year at 67 days, and it's gone up slightly to 72 days. Now, days on market, that's how long a property takes to go under contract with respect to when it was first offered within the MLS. In terms of close price to original list price percentage, that's how much sellers are getting with respect to what they had originally listed the home for. In January, that was 90.3%, and then in March, that was 92.8%. Now let's go over Williamson County. The average price when we started the year in Williamson County was $484,000. And in March, that actually went up slightly to $486,856. Now, when compared to March of last year, we're actually down 10.1%. And for the year in Williamson County, we are down 9.3%. In terms of days on market, in January, we started off at 85 days, and it's roughly the same at 82 days currently. Original list price to sales price percentage started the year at 89.2%, and that came up a little bit at 92% when we closed out the first quarter. Now, lastly, Hays County, the year started off, we were at $505,000 roughly, and then in March that came down to $480,000. Down 18.7% in March compared to March of last year, and then it's down 14.7% year to date. Days on market in Hays County, in January we started at 82, and that's actually come up to 97 days. Lastly, the original list price to sales price percentage in Hays County started at 91.3%, and then in March we ended at 92%. Now, you may be wondering why the close price to original list price percentages went up slightly as of late compared to beginning of the year, while we continue to see our market correction lead to higher days on market and a softening of prices. This is in part because there's enough data now for sellers to start being a little more realistic on their prices. And then also remember, sold data is a lag measure, and it's about 30 to 45 days behind the trends of the current market. With sales being down 27.3% and listing inventory at a 5-year high, there are a lot of opportunities for buyers that haven't been present in a few years. It's important also for sellers to list their homes with experienced realtors that understand the newest marketing and negotiation strategies and techniques to ensure that they not only sell their home, but they get the most for it. Remember, how these numbers impact your home buying, selling, or investing strategies depends on a lot of factors, some of which include whether or not the property is a condo or a single-family home, the size of the home, the inventory within a particular neighborhood or school feeder pattern, whether the property has a greenbelt or a pool, or other sought-out features, etc. Call us today to see how Q1's performance impacts your near future home buying, selling, and investing goals. We promise to ensure that we give you the information that you need to make a well-informed decision.